Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers Team out here. This is day 7 in Olathe. We are in the process now of encasing all of our King Piers. You saw us raise the footing back up to its correct level elevation yesterday, and now all we're doing is encasing the pier in high-strength concrete, and that's going to ensure that there is no future settlement. And this footing is going to stay where it needs to be. See there, we just pour that concrete up to the top of the footing, and this is what we call overkill. Those King Piers are strong enough that really there's not going to be much issue without, typically not much issue without with needing concrete to encase it. We just like to overkill, go above and beyond, and make sure that we are doing everything in our power to keep this home as structurally stable as we possibly can. So you can see we got the back side done already, getting close to finishing up the side of the home here. So that's about half of our King Piers being encased right now, so we're just probably another 3 or 4 loads away from being done on this side. Late yesterday, the owner wanted us to do one more small support underneath this corner, so we're going to get that done while we're waiting for the next concrete truck here in a couple hours. So, and then you saw we have the one supporting that corner under the footing. These did not need piers, we just needed to brace it properly with some steel beams. You can see there, those are all 1/2-inch steel plates between the bottom of the pier and the load-bearing plate. So we raised everything roughly about 1.5 inches from where it was before we started. So now that all that's done here later today, once it warms up a little bit, we're going to be able to get some material, seal these cracks on the outside and inside of the home, just to make sure that not only are we making sure the foundation is structurally sound, we're going to try to seal up as many possible potential entry areas for water infiltration that we can. So everything's moving along just on the schedule we had planned. So we'll be finished up with all the concrete except for that one additional hole that we started late yesterday. We'll get that finished up early tomorrow morning. Not a big deal there, but all in all, we are making good progress on this. So stay tuned for more updates. We'll try to have another update later today once we get those piers encased on the inside and get that concrete back up flush to level with the existing basement floor. So stay tuned for updates. You can find them on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. We really appreciate that. You can go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And of course, you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.